Hiranyakashipu put the child in the lap and was so much glad getting the child. He's getting the scent of the head of the child. And with, even by happiness, tears come down. And by tears, he has wetted the child. Then Hiranyakashipu thought, the child has come now from Guru Griha, from the school, he will say, from Guru Griha, from the abode of Guru. If I put any particular question, then this son may not be able to reply, then he will be rejected. Then he put one question. What is that question? Ekada surarat putra vankavaropa pandava papracha kathadhamusya mannati sadhidhavavar. One day, Hiranyakashipu took the child in his lap with affection, and with very affection he said, "Oh, my dear boy, whatever you have learned from your Gurudev and whatever you have remembered, you speak something good from there. That is the purpose. You speak something. I am not putting any question. But so long you have heard from your Gurudev and you have learned something, and whatever you remembered, you speak something good." But he used the word sadhu. Whatever you think sadhu, speak to me. Sadhu word is used. Ekada surat putra vankavarva papam. Kathadhamasya sadhujat bhavan. Sadhujat bhavan. Whatever you think sadhu. The word sadhu is used, but the significance is whatever you have learned so long staying in Gurudev's house, whatever you have remembered, you speak something to me, but the word used is sadhu. Whatever you think sadhu, speak. Now Prahlad Maharaj would understand the desire of his father, that I should speak from whatever I have learned from Sandavaka. But that is not sadhu. All the members of the court, they are eagerly hearing. Whatever Prahlad will say, they will say it is like scriptural injunction. If I say according to the will of my revered father, then they will misunderstand. They will think this is sadhu. I should speak actual sadhu. Then what he said? Tat sadhu manne suravajyadehina sadar samudbhagna dhyam asadgraha hitta atmad grihamandapugam ganangata joharimas. So sadhu manne dehina